Which breed of cat is known for its hairless appearance? Option C. Sphinx. Which pet is famous for its singing abilities? Option B. Canary. Which pet wags its tail when happy? Answer is C. Dog. Which pet reptile enjoys basking under a heat lamp? Option C. Lizard. Which pet is known for its long, ever-growing teeth? Option B. Rabbit. Which pet is often kept in an aquarium? Option C. Fish. Which dog breed is known for its spots? Option A. Dalmatian. Challenge for you. Which pet is known for its ability to spin webs? Comment your answer.